Today we're going to be going through Cherokee Park in Louisville, Kentucky. It's a nice park that's in the middle of the Highlands area. This is a park that I go to quite often. Currently it's shut to through traffic, normal car, truck traffic. It's closed for pedestrians and cyclists only, so don't really need to worry about the stop signs. Let's see, I might go through this way. Yeah, we'll do that. So don't go swimming in the water. Although you really want to at this time of year. Yeah, it's a nice creek area. We'll go through this way. Yeah, so the park has, straight pavement to run on, cycle on with road bikes. It's got mountain bike trails. It's got hiking trails. It's not the, largest park in the world, but it's a pretty nice multi-use park in the middle of a bunch of neighborhoods that are accessible. Yeah, because up at the top of the hill, I don't know if you can see it all. That's the top Cherokee Park, so people ride down to go to the mountain bike trails and such. So we're going to go through, go to the top of the park. Too steep to go up the side of that hill. Nope, we can try it. It's doing pretty well, actually. This isn't the firmest ground. There you go. I'm actually pretty impressed by that. Alright, so now we're on firm ground. also I'm wearing these Patagonia gloves that I got because they're fleece. So they're a lot warmer than my standard cycling gloves. And then down there is where we just came through. Over there to the left. Yeah, I've been letting the bike do all the work. I haven't really been pedaling much at all today. The only bad thing about a fleece glove is it gets all these little fuzzies on your hand grips. So this is a statue of Pan that has some paint thrown on it, but it's still there. It's Pan with some turtles. Obviously during the winter, it's not got any water running through it, but in the summer there's water. And then there's areas down here where water comes out that dogs can drink out of, which is thoughtful for the four-legged friends. Now I actually can go through these trails because these would be too advanced for this bike. This is mostly just road and very light off-road. Yeah, so you can see there's trails down through the woods. Not gonna go down those though. All right. Go around this park area. So directly through the trees over here is another neighborhood. Back here into the park. Give it some extra pedal power. So now we're exiting the park. I'm trying to think which way I want to go. And we'll go this way. We'll go through back down here. Let's hope nobody comes up behind us. That's the park again over to the left. Funny that people think this is a motorcycle sometimes. I think everybody on two wheels shows respect and appreciation for others on two wheels because no one else on the road's giving you much attention or respect. Alright, so I am now officially out of the park and done with the excursion for the day. And in case you're curious what I've been wearing today, so I've got this Columbia neck gaiter. That's the Mandalorian edition because I guess it kind of looks like his helmet. But yeah, so this has been pretty helpful. You know, and two, I don't think I've actually done a walk around the bike. So got a 1000 helmet. This is the Super73 S1. Haven't really done much to it. Just have put the cup holder, got the cargo bag, put a phone holder, and that's pretty much it. It looks like it's starting to get a little bit rainy out here, so I need to get this into high gear and get home.